The regulators continue to crack down on Binance, and because of this, Binance is looking to replace CZ, their CEO, and they stated, quote, "We are looking for someone with a strong regulatory background to step in and be CEO." And the first thing to clarify is that CZ is not in trouble. He was not arrested. This is probably the first immediate reaction someone has when they hear that a CEO is being replaced. The reason why they are replacing CZ is because at this point, they have to. They need someone to step in with the right leadership that understands the regulatory landscape. And CZ did state on Twitter that this is not going to be immediate. As I make this video, he still is the CEO. Remember, he's not in trouble. He wasn't arrested. And they're going to go through the regular CEO process. They announce they're looking for a CEO, and they're going to go through their whole extensive process until they find someone that meets the requirements. And CZ did also clarify that he's not leaving Binance, right? He won't be the CEO eventually, but he's not leaving. He will continue to contribute. And again, this is something that they have to do at this point. There are so many crackdowns coming right now on Binance. And because of this, something else they were forced to do is today they had to update their daily withdrawal limit policy. So for anyone that is not providing KYC, know your customer information, the daily withdrawal limit will be adjusted to 0.06 Bitcoin. But of course, if you provide KYC and all your information, it will be increased, and you can have a limit up to 100 Bitcoin a day. And there are a lot of things going on with Binance. And I wanted to make this video because, as I mentioned previously, I'm going to keep you guys updated for all of the Binance users. Don't panic, but this is something to consider with all this regulation going on. And when it comes to Binance and CZ, I like them. And I would say that I trust Binance and CZ. But in this case, it's not a question of Binance, it's a question of the regulator. And I don't trust the regulator at this moment. What I mean by that is I don't know what's going to happen next. There's a lot of things going on with Binance, and I'm making these videos not to make you panic, but to keep you guys updated. And if you want to stay fully updated with Binance, I made a video just 1 week ago about all of the updates you need to know about. I'm going to leave a link for that in the description below. And also a question many of us are asking right now is, should you leave Binance? And my answer to that is that when it comes to an exchange, forget even if it's Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, or the list of other exchanges out there. Whenever using a third-party exchange, even if you think it's the best and safest exchange, there are ways to reduce your risk. So I have another video for you in the description below on 3 ways to reduce your risk when using an exchange. And if you want to continue and stay updated on the Binance situation, make sure to subscribe and of course hit the bell notification so that you will find out about this information as soon as it is available. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.